Okay, we're good. Thank you. Mine is 31E. Same seat. Let's go. Nice. Like, it's probably gonna be this TV. It's probably gonna be a seat with the TV. Listen, it's probably gonna be the seat with the TVs on top. The probably the Oasis interior again, or the TV on the seat. Final 737-800. I can't film that. Sorry. You do that to me all the time, Mama. You do that all the time.
So you'll get TV and not TV?
Probably the same interior from last time. One of the ones on top, or the ones on the seat.
To maximize that overhead bin space. Any smaller items such as backpacks, purses, laptop bags, briefcases, small duffel bags all need to go underneath the seat in front of you. One exception to this is if you're seated in the bulkhead row, that's the first row and first class. All of your personal belongings are required to go in the overhead bin for taxi, takeoff, and landing.
Did we get something?
Yep.
If you happen to be seated in the emergency exits today, if you could please review the operating instructions for those overwing exits, as you may be called upon to assist in the unlikely event of an emergency. On today's flight, we do have streaming content available for access on your own personal devices. If you would like to access that streaming entertainment free of charge, you do need to have the American Airlines app downloaded on any tablets or cell phones. You can find the American Airlines app located in the Google Play Store or the Apple iTunes Store free of charge. Once you have that downloaded, you can then connect to our in-flight Wi-Fi signal and access the large library of streaming content that we have available on today's flight. One last thing, as you find your row, if you could please step out of the aisle to allow those other passengers behind you to pass. That will help to expedite the boarding process for us and ensure that we can get you all to Miami on time today. If you need any assistance during this boarding process or at any time during the flight, feel free to let a flight attendant know. As always, it will be a pleasure to serve you today on your way to Miami.
Oh, go. We're back in the Oasis interior. The Oasis 737. Sorry for my
Oh, yeah, wait a second. Hold my coffee for a second. Hold it up.
Check it out, guys. We're on a 737-800 Oasis interior. There's the A320 United Airlines backing up, and there's an MD-88 Delta over there. I'm excited. See what? Legroom seems okay. Is my chargers in there? Everything seems good. Tray tables seem good working order. Huh? Hold on. I think I'm good. I need my headphones.
The seatbelt sign is on. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
Safety card. Sick bag. Sick bag. Like back here. Yep. That's good. I'll show you guys later. Peace.